Okay, so as many of you know, I like to ride my electric unicycle to go vote. Well, this time I decided to ride my motorcycle to go vote. I'm on my way down to the drop box. I have a mail-in ballot. I think voting is super important. I really enjoy voting. I encourage everybody to go out and do it. It's one of those things that is we're very fortunate to have here in America. We get to vote and our votes actually count. And not everybody's going to agree that they count the way they want them to, but they do count one way or another. And especially in these elections like now, every vote is counted and every vote actually goes to where it belongs. I, for one, don't believe in the Electoral College. I think it's kind of silly, and I think we should get rid of it, personally. Not for either party. I think it's wrong on both sides. I think both sides have benefited from it in the past, and I don't think either side should benefit from it. I think it should be, you know, the number of votes cast is what happens, and unfortunately that doesn't happen. But like I say, in this election, it does matter, because every vote goes towards your senator or your congressman, or towards the different bills that you're looking at, that you're voting for, the different proposals. So yeah, there's that. It's a pretty short ride up here. On my unicycle it'll take me about 20 minutes to get over there, because I take a long way around, ride the bike trail. On the motorcycle, I'm going to go up one exit on the freeway, and that's it. It's pretty quick. I will say that I wish there were different things on the ballot sometimes. I know in California they're voting for the marijuana laws, and I'm for and against some of them. Depends on the law. I personally wish we had an ice cream thing, you know, like free ice cream for everybody once a year, a couple times a year. I'd definitely vote for that. In-N-Out Burger smells good driving by here. And yes, even our In-N-Out Burger gets a line way out in the parking lot. Actually, right now they've got a long line. Even way up here in Placerville. So I'm crossing Highway 50 right now. Passing the fairgrounds. That's actually the back entrance. So it is a Saturday, so hopefully my ballot doesn't get destroyed over the weekend, because I doubt they're picking it up till Monday. But I think it should be alright. Let's see, I'm trying to remember where I go here. There's the jail, that's not where I want to go. I hate it every time I have to go there. Ballot drop-off box. I usually come from the other way, that's why I wasn't sure which turn it was. And I'm usually riding my wheel. So there's the box. Now my ballot is in my tail bag, so I'm going to have to actually get off the bike to get it. But that's okay. Alright, here we go. One more year down. Couple years, whatever it is. And that's it, we did it. Like I said, I encourage everybody to go and vote. Even if you don't vote just like I do. Beginning to wonder if he was going to stop. I was going to let him go though, because I'm not winning against the Hummer.
My God.